Hi, this is week 11. It's definitely a pretty packed week, and it starts off with a quick exercise to do a paragraph shaping just to see a really good layout and the length of the measure of the type. And you can post a screenshot of that. It wouldn't take too long. And then I have this presentation about more emerging platforms and how we use barcodes in the future. And I think it's coming up here. It's from Asia. Originally, those QR codes were used a lot for advertising. I'll go into that. I see it more and more over here now. And this was the old UPC, the Universal Product Code, that was first used, and it sort of kind of evolved into a QR code, but they both still exist. And if you're really interested in this stuff, there's a very cool blog called 99% Invisible. They stopped doing it. I was very sad about that, but this is a pretty interesting episode about barcodes and the history of it. And I also go into from the emerging platforms about bots that can create a content, like sort of AI stuff, and how dangerous it can be, but also how we can use it to detect fakes, for example, because we can reverse the algorithms and see if they can find patterns like that. And I have one clip about what I work with when I work for companies. They sent me their style guides, sort of the what I can use and not. And these are examples of logos and how to place them. I'll show you examples how what a company would send me and what I work from. So I'm kind of bound to, of course, the branding colors and some styles that they have so that their brand doesn't like go look totally different when we design new parts for it. And here is, for example, the company Coding Theory designed the website for Scholastic, and they sent me their style guide, and the art director sent me an example. This is what the mobile version would look like. And then I start building out all the different sections of it in more detail and when it's more applied to it. I'm also talking about the two parts about what's really important to me, accessibility on websites, because if you can improve that, it's going to improve your overall web experience for everybody. Also, this goes into the coding aspect as well, because you can write an HTML code that's totally accessible for screen readers or also people that don't load the photos, and it will also give you a much better Google ranking if you have these tools embedded. And this is the next week to post the future text assignment. And here's some examples from previous students, just like sort of a one sheet, give you an example what they worked on. And here's some more examples. This I think I mentioned before was really cool, like a scent keeper. It's a library to record scents. Every time I get the cat translator app as well. Maybe, yeah, this one looks pretty good, but you can come up with crazy ideas. I think it will be fun. So have fun with that and enjoy week 11.